I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all the
Oh, come on now, you all don't feel like that.
Alright kids, welcome to JJ's Cheap Ass Hat Cam, which isn't so cheap anymore, but it's still cheap. So here we go, BOMBPOP pop test. It's hard to say, actually. So what we're going to do, 4S90C, oh no, that's a 75C, I think. That's a cheapo battery, so not the best. CPL 2205 Green Cobras. I'm running 35 amp all-in-one ESC, and the new flight controller I just put in there, it's in the description, the Patini or Tapini or whatever it is. Anyway, bad to the bone. So we're going to see what this baby does. So, just a little bit of an angle pop test. Nothing fancy. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Wow. Pretty nice. Very smooth. Yeah, battery's old, but it's still pretty good. Cuts the air nice. I like it. Woo! Thing kicks off some wind. Wow. Can't wait to try this out in acro. I'm not that good. I don't fly line of sight in acro mode. Looking good. I like it. Running butterfly, by the way. Alright. Sweet. I like it. There's pop test of the BOMBPOP. Woohoo! See, even when I do it slow, never right side up. See, motors are nice and cool. All the filters disabled. 4S. Yeah, I like it. Keep trying to set up, kids.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.